Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward emails into Slack so you can centralize your communication and discuss important messages with your team without leaving the app. Step 1. Get your Slack forwarding address. In the 2026 Slack update, your personal email integration is managed directly through your media settings. Click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner and select Preferences. From the left sidebar, click on Messages and Media. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the section labeled Bring Emails into Slack. Click the link provided there to generate your unique Slack forwarding address. Copy this address. It's the secret bridge that tells Gmail exactly where to send your messages. Step 2. Add the forwarding address in Gmail. Now you need to tell Gmail that this Slack address is a trusted destination for your emails. Open your Gmail account in a browser, click the Settings gear icon, and select See All Settings. Head to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Click the Add a Forwarding Address button and paste the unique link you just copied from Slack. Click Next, then Proceed. Gmail will now send a verification email to your Slack. Look for a new message from Gmail team in your Slack DMs or the designated channel. Step 3. Verify and activate. To finalize the connection, you must confirm that you own the Slack destination. And that's pretty much it. To link your email to Slack in 2026, go to Profile, Preferences, Messages and Media to grab your forwarding link. Then head to Gmail's forwarding settings, add that link as a new address, and verify the connection through the confirmation message Slack receives. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.